Hey there, CPS principals and assistant principals. If you would like to print your calendar, maybe you are a person who just prefers paper, that's totally fine. The first step that you want to take to print your calendar is you want to click this drop down box so that you can ensure the view that you want is reflected here. So if I wanted to print out the August calendar, I would click month here. And then I would go up here to the settings menu where the gear is and click it, and I would press print. From there, I can change the dates that I want to actually have printed. So let's say I print August 1st through August 31st. Well, I can do that, and from there, I can go through the rest of the features. So I can look at it by, if I do auto, that will show me exactly the view that I've already clicked on. But let's say I want to print it by day for each of those. Well, I'm going to get 31 pages, and it's going to print each day off individually. If I wanted to look at it, if I wanted to print it by week, I could print it by week as well, but it would print off one page per week. Here, I can adjust the font size, and I can even determine if I want to include the weekends in this calendar. Once I do that, I would select print, and from there, it's up to my individual calendar, my individual browser features. So I can print it as a PDF so that I can save it, or I can print it to an actual printer. And once I make that selection, I just click print, and now my calendar is printed in the way that I've selected. I hope that was beneficial for you. Have a great one.